Very warm welcome to our Facebook page. Start making this by making elongated triangle and patterns like this. Now add lines on the top and stars like this along with clouds. Color this rocket. Draw the outline of the tree in this manner. Show emerging lines like this. These are the hanging branches. Add leaves on them. Collectively, make leaves on every branch of this tree. This tree is going to look very realistic. Now, make woody pattern inside it and draw lines on the tree. Color it. This is the most beautiful tree I have ever seen. Start drawing petals of flowers in this manner. Make another flower too. Interconnect them with this and close them from the end. Now color it as per your choice. Place palm of a child and outline it as shown on the white sheet. Close it and make eyes, then beak of a hen. Make this on her head and make eggs like this by drawing circles. Add crisscross pattern in this manner and color it. Draw a large circle and make eye in it. Now draw the lower body and color it yellow. This looks amazing. Make ears and then face of your next drawing. Now make the bottom part like this. Add a tail in it. Color the face and body with colors. You can use colors of your choice. Draw a frog by making strips and bottom part in a curly and a very fluffy way. Color it as shown in the video with red and pink. Write alphabet A on the white sheet. On the corners, make eyes and two curvy lines. Now make arms and fin of the creature. Isn't it amazing? Make comma-like pattern first on the white sheet, then draw the face along with the beak and draw full body like this. In the same way, make another two. Draw face of your next drawing by making eyes and then draw hairs of the girl like this. She looks very beautiful, isn't she? Thank you for watching this video.